Class next is animal and human beings. So all animals, including human being, depends on food provided by plants. They cannot prepare their own food. We do not prepare our own food. We take food from plants and eat it, because they consume the food produced by plants. We consume the food produced by plants. Therefore, they are called composer. They are called consumer. Who to consume? Sorry, you understand? They are called consumer. Okay, or heterotroph. Hetero means class other, different, and troph means food. Who take food from other source? Who take food from other source? Okay, so we are called as heterotroph, because we are depends on plant. All animal, including human being, breathe. In the process of breathing, they take in oxygen produced by plant and give out CO2, which is used by plant. Okay, class? Class, the next point is physical or abiotic environment. So far we have discussed biotic. Now we are going to start the abiotic, which do not have life. The physical or abiotic environment consists of only non-living elements. Okay, class, non-living elements. These elements include land, air, water. Three things like land, air, and water. Okay. First, we will going to discuss these 3 points: land, air, and water. First, the topic is land. Land is a solid part of Earth and is called the lithosphere. Okay, class, it's called a lithosphere. It occupies 29% of land surface. It supports majority of plants and animal life on Earth. Obviously, right? We have this thing we see. Land supports majority of plant and animal life on Earth. All human beings live on it. We do live on it. We also take support from land, right? It also helps us in our surviving. Vast amount of minerals are mined from the land. Soil is the most important part of land. It is found on the upper thin layer of land. Now it is discussing about the soil. Soil is the very most important part of land, and it is found on the upper layer of land. Upper thin layer of land. It takes thousands of years for soil to develop. It's a long time. Soil mainly occur the 3-layer bedrock, subsoil, and topsoil. Okay, class? These 3 layers you have to learn it: bedrock, subsoil, and topsoil. Okay, class? Now the next is air. Air is the second important abiotic element of environment. One is land, where we have discussed. Now air, in which we are surviving. A number of functions take place in it that help support life on Earth. Air is composed of obviously of gases, water vapor, and dust particles. Nitrogen, 78%. Air contains nitrogen, 78%. Oxygen, 21%. Are the important gases present in the air. Hydrogen and carbon dioxide. Ozone is also there. There is one ozone layer above the atmosphere. If we go up, then you will get one layer is there. That layer is called the ozone layer. Okay, which protect the ultraviolet rays which is coming out from sun it protect the UV rays. It stop the UV rays to come on the earth. It help in to stop the UV rays. So hydrogen and carbon dioxide, ozone, argon, etc. are the other gases of air. Class, one point is given there. One is acid rain. Rain which has some acidity. It's called acid rain. It is a type of air pollution caused by combining of sulfur and nitrogen oxide with moisture. When combining of sulfur and nitrogen oxide, when it combined with water, right, it is all due to air pollution, and when it combined with rain, that rain is now rain become a acid rain. That's clear. Oxide of sulfur, oxide of nitrogen, when it combined with rain, then it form an acid form of, then now the whole rain we calling acid rain. Okay. So acid rain is a type of air pollution caused by combining of sulfur and nitrogen oxide with moisture, and the moisture mixed with a rain. When it comes down, then the whole rain become acid. The acidity as produced in that rain. All animals and human beings need oxygen. It's very obvious thing to live. Ozone gas protect us. It is coming here. Ozone gas protect us from the UV ultraviolet rays of sun. Water vapor brings rainfall. Okay, class. Now the next point is water. Oh my God, it's a very essential things. We do use it time to time, right? We also carry in a bottle. Water is essential for all types of life on Earth. 71% of Earth's surface which is covered by water. Only 30% is land. About 30% or 29% is land. 70 and 71% is water. So most of the water lies in the ocean, but in a saline with some which has some salty water, right? Yeah, actually, the sea water is not potable. We cannot drink it, and is unfit for human consumption. Okay, if we do consume, it will harm us. Only fresh water, but the water is in river, okay, in well. Only fresh water is used by all human beings and animals. Its quantity is very low on Earth. This quantity of fresh water is very low on Earth. Water is available in three forms: solid means in the ice form, liquid in the water liquid, and the gas means the vapor form. The continuous process of changing of form of water is called a hydrological cycle, right? Means the changing between the water with the help of sunlight, the water vapor forms, right? And water vapors, it is also mentioned just before, water vapor brings rainfall. The water vapor brings rainfall with the as the water vapor form, rainfall. Now after this, the rainfall comes, water again comes down, okay, and with the help of sunlight, again the water change into the vapor form. All the oceans support vast amount of animal life. These animals are called aquatic animals. All the oceans support vast amount of animal life, and these animals are called aquatic animal. Fish is an important source of food for man. Fish is an important source of food for man. Oceans are also storehouses of minerals like petroleum. Okay. So now class, we have over this class up to the water, and in the next class we will start the topic social environment, and we will discuss the question and answer exercise. Okay class, goodbye.